This Athearn blue box wagon I got really cheap because it's got these weird marks on this white area. I'm not quite sure what's happened. It's on this side of the wagon and it's also here on the other side as well. But what this means is this is ripe for having a weathering job, and I'm going to give it some graffiti as well. So that's what we're going to do on this video. So I think the first step is to get the cutting mat down and get this apart. So on the back of these parts you can see some of this frosting, which is indicative of super glue having been used on this model. And when we look at this part you can see that the weight has been super glued in and it's also been taped in as well. So that's what's been causing the frosting on the inside of the black parts. And it might actually explain what's going on here. But it actually looks as though maybe it's had some glue or something on the outside. So maybe there was another panel here or something. Not quite sure. But either way, that's going to get weathered out and we won't see it. So as I progress on with this, I'll put on some music to save me wittering on and boring you to death. So enjoy the music and let's get going on this model.